In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background in StreamYard. First, open StreamYard and log into your account. From your dashboard, enter the studio for the specific broadcast you want to edit. Working inside the correct studio matters because the background you choose is applied to that broadcast's layout while you're previewing or live. There are two kinds of backgrounds people talk about in StreamYard. A studio background fills the entire canvas behind your show, behind your camera, your guests, your screen shares, and your banners. A virtual background, on the other hand, sits only behind you inside your camera feed. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on setting a studio background, because that's what shapes the overall look of your show. Inside the studio, look to the right side of the screen for the panel labeled Brand or Media Assets, depending on your layout. Click it to open your visual options. Scroll until you see the section called Backgrounds. This is where your available backgrounds live. To apply one, simply click the background you want to show. The moment you select it, StreamYard places it behind your current video layout. If you're in preview, you'll see it instantly. If you're live, your audience will see the change as you make it, so consider switching during a natural pause. You can click different backgrounds at any time to change the mood or segment of your show. A few helpful notes as you work. Backgrounds sit at the very back of the visual stack. That means overlays, banners, comments, and shared screens will appear on top of them. If a background seems hidden, it's often because an overlay is covering the canvas. Try toggling overlays off to confirm your background is in place. Also, choose backgrounds that complement your layout. Busy patterns can clash with lower thirds or text, while simple textures or brand colors usually keep things readable. If you were looking for a virtual background, the effect that replaces the wall behind you, that's separate from the studio background and is controlled from your camera settings. It affects only your camera feed, not the entire canvas. That's it. Open StreamYard, log in, enter your studio, go to the Brand or Media Assets panel, scroll to Backgrounds, and click the one you want to apply. Do a quick check with your chosen layout before you go live, and you'll have a clean, consistent look every time.